warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zalfaa Khalilah Ardini and I'm from class 12.6 and I'm from absent 38. And today I want to tell you about narrative text. 1. Definition of narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells a chronological story in the past tense. And then 2. The purpose of narrative text. The aim of narrative text is to entertain the readers through the amusing story. And then type of narrative text. 1. Fairy tale. 2. Folk tale. 3. Legend. 4. Myth. 5. Science fiction. 6. Romance. 7. Horror stories. 8. Fable. 9. History. 10. Slice of life. 11. Personal experience. Okay, next, generic structure of narrative text. 1. Orientation. Orientation is the opening section of narrative text. This section introduces the characters and the setting of the story, including the place, time, atmosphere, and social circumstance. 2. Complication. Complication is this section contains the problem that arise in a story. In more details, complications are divided into 3 parts. 1. Rising action. Rising action is the problem begins to emerge. 2. Climax. Climax is the peak of the problem. 3. Falling action. Falling action is the tension of the problem begins to decrease and a resolution begins to be found. And then 3. Resolution. Resolution is section contains the resolution or ending of a narrative text. A story can conclude with a happy ending or sad ending or cliffhanger. And 4. Reorientation. Reorientation is the final section of a narrative text, usually contains a conclusion, a moral message or moral value, or a change in character at the end of the story. This reorientation is optional because it isn't always required in a narrative text. Next, language feature. 1. Using simple past tense. Narrative text usually use simple past tense because they all events or stories that have already occurred. 2. Using adverbs of time. Adverbs of times are words that describe when an event occurred, how long it lasted, and how often it occurred. 3. Using adjective. Adjectives are words to describe nouns and pronouns which can be people, place, animals, object, colors, smells, or the other abstract concepts. 4. Using noun pairs. Noun pairs are words that function as nouns. And I have the example of narrative text. The example of narrative text include classic fairy tales as Malin Kundang and Bawang Merah Bawang Putih, legends such as the Legend of Lake Toba, and fictional short stories. Okay everyone, that is explanation about narrative text from me. And then I will say goodbye and thank you for watching. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.